What's up, YouTube? Chase me at 1871. It's probably the end of this video, but I guess the tornado, well, there goes the sirens again. I thought it was heading to the east of us, over that way. This is one of the most violent storms that I've seen in a long time, and I'm born and raised here in Tornado Alley. And usually we get a little hail. This has been going on for over 25 minutes straight. This storm means business, and now it's starting to hail again. Pretty good size one. But anyway, dang, man. It's just blasting. It's just tearing stuff up. I hope my windows on the south side of my house are all right. I mean, look at that. Golly, man. Pretty good size. And this is insanity, man. I just heard something snap. Wow, look at that one that just fell. Oh my gosh. I better go and check the radar. Oh, look over there. Is that the funnel cloud? I think it is. Hold on, folks. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try to get as best I can. We've got massive rotation to the east, heading to the northeast, which puts me basically out of it. I don't know if you can see the rotation in the sky. There's some pretty good rotation going on right there. And that's what you have to watch out for. These clouds are just, they don't know which way to go. That was one violent storm. These low clouds right here are going so fast. Right there. That's where I'm watching. They're going backwards, they're going forwards, they're going sideways. I sure hope this ain't my last video I make for you guys. Look at that. Look at that one. That one's going backwards, that one's going towards me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Here it is, folks. There it is. There's the rotation. The streets are filled with fog. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to get away from that rotation and head over here. Maybe I can get a better shot. And now I'm on the back side of it. Oh boy, that was intense. I don't think you can see it now. What they started to do was go into a almost a roll, a parallel roll with the sky, like this way, but rolling. And my kids are on that side of town. I can't get a hold of nobody. I'm sure their mom has them in the basement. That, folks, is living in Tornado Alley. That quick your life can end. And there goes the sirens again. That is rotation. I was right. Go back over and see if I can see it. Where you at? Where you at, sucker? I'm gonna cut this off because I'm really low on memory card time.
You can get more
I'll be back.
So you have
all right, folks.
Flowing out of this storm. So
I'm roughly right in here.
The storm.
Oh, they moved it.
East, anywhere.
Here's the hook echoes. That's just exactly what I just showed you. When that was starting to turn in the sky like this, and then it comes down like this. I'm gonna go back out and see if I can't find it. All right, YouTube.
Now, but when I first looked out,
there it is right there.
see it spinning.
That's the one that just went over here and back. I was sitting there watching it. It started to spin.
Did it?
Parallel.
Yeah.
You know, then that's it right there.
Same one, you think?
Yeah. It was just here. It was right up above here. I ran over to Mom's to get in her basement, and I heard the sirens go off again. I said, oh, it's closed. That's it right there. All right, YouTube, I'm out of here.
One right over there.
Oh, I don't know. I'd say 5 to 6 miles, the southwestern 5 or 6 miles of Jefferson County, which I think is in your neighborhood. You're in Jefferson County. About 8 miles west of Perry would put you in Jefferson County. So you're on the southern section of that rotation.
Moving to the left.
Is the funnel that you see, is it north of 24? Or did you?
No, we did not, Dave. No.
Okay.
And to give you
It's
an idea,
getting wider.
Now I'm on 24, I'm eastbound, and I'm at Douglas Road. That's a mile or
Do your
two east
windshield
of
wipers.
Gary. I'm sure a lot of listeners know where, on Potato Road, there's Gary's Berries on Highway 24. I'm now east of there by about a mile.